Good morning, Kansas City. My name is Tyler Zentz, and I just launched my own estate planning law firm, Zentz Law. For those of you that know me, I started my career in insurance defense and personal injury. But over time, I realized I didn't really want to spend my career reacting to problems after they happen. I wanted to help families. I wanted to be proactive, plan ahead to take care of the people they love no matter what. So Zentz Law is going to exist for one reason and really one reason only. We're going to make sure that every Kansas City family, regardless of income, regardless of background, regardless of how many commas you have in your bank account, we're going to make sure that you have a plan in place that protects the people you love. Because at the end of the day, we all have someone or something that we want to protect, and that's valuable, and that's what we're going to do here. So, going forward, here's what you can expect from me. Here's what you can expect from the firm. These are the core values I'm going to hold myself accountable by every day, and I'm going to strive to meet them with you every day as well. We're going to use plain language here. We're not going to use, legal jargon to try to confuse you or make you feel dumb. We're going to use plain language and explain everything to you up front. We're going to do flat fees. There's not going to be surprise billing. We're not going to nickel and dime you for every phone call and email. I want you to feel comfortable and be able to reach out when you have questions. I'm going to follow through and show up for you just like I would my own family. I'm going to be responsive, and I'm going to do the little things because I'm going to care about you just as much as I care about them. I'm going to lead with empathy and generosity too. I'm going to meet you where you are. I'm going to listen first, and I'm going to give you my time freely because that's what being a lawyer is all about. Lastly, I'm going to own it. My mistakes, my work, my outcomes, the buck stops here. We're not going to have any blame shifting. I'm going to hold myself accountable to all that. So if you've been putting off estate planning because you felt it was too expensive or too confusing or, just weren't feeling ready yet, I think now's the time, and I'd love to chat with you about that. Check out my website, zentzlawkc.com, or any of the socials. Take care, guys.